Chinese New Year in Malaysia Crash of Clans, an episode of series, where to celebrate Chinese New Year in Southeast Asia. As the eve of the new year begins, Malaysian Chinese converge on their ancestral homes to eat, gamble, and celebrate with their families. Outside their homes, Penangites mix with Malaysian visitors and foreign tourists, bringing them to the following celebrations. Penang CNY Celebration, a street party and open house held around the Georgetown Heritage District. The CNY celebration is organized by the Penang Chinese Clan Council, PCCC, to highlight Penang's UNESCO-recognized old temples and clan houses. Visitors experience traditional Chinese performing arts like lion dances and Chingay performances. Temple festivities at Kek Lok Si and Snake Temple, two of Penang's most celebrated temples, hold spectacular events during the Chinese New Year festival. On the sixth day of the festival, the Penang Snake Temple celebrates its patron Chor Soo Kong's birthday with a fire-watching ceremony and Chinese opera performances. And for the duration of the Chinese New Year calendar, Kek Lok Si Temple lights up its surroundings with 200,000 light bulbs and 10,000 lanterns. Pai Ti Kong Festival. On the ninth day of the festival, the Hokkien of Penang celebrate their group's traditional New Year at Weld Keys Chu Jetty. Setting out banquets full of food and potent liquids, the Hokkien eat and drink until midnight, upon which they offer thanks to the Jade Emperor God for saving them from doom. Chap Gomei Celebration. On the 15th night of the Chinese New Year, single ladies crowd the Penang Esplanade. It's believed that throwing oranges into the sea will increase the odds of their finding a suitable husband. 1. Read more, Chinese New Year in Penang.